Bread making produced simple. How to create a rustic and chic basket for your home. There's nothing rather like the aroma of newly baked bread wafting through your property. It's a reassuring scent that may quickly help make you feel its simplicity. But if you're brand new to bread making, the method can easily seem intimidating. Relax assured, it doesn't possess to be challenging. Along with the correct tools and techniques, you can produce delectable self-made bread along with ease. One of the keys to successful bread making is possessing a correct area to permit your money rise. Instead of utilizing a monotonous aged dish, why not produce a rustic and fashionable container? Not just does it serve a practical function, but it additionally adds an additional contact of attraction to your kitchen area. Thus, how do you produce your own bread rising container? Listed below is what you'll need. Materials. Woven wicker basket. Material liner, optional. Flour sack towel. Cornmeal. Directions. Pick your container. The first action is finding the best basket for your necessities. You want something with an open weave that will certainly enable airflow around your cash as it climbs. A wicker basket is excellent for this purpose. 2. Line your basket, optional. If you prefer to incorporate some extra flair to your basket or shield it coming from any recurring dampness from the cash, look at lining it with fabric in an enjoyable printing or color that complements your home kitchen style. 3. Prep your towel. Position a flour sack towel in the bottom of the container and clean it along with cornmeal. This are going to prevent the dough coming from sticking as well as offer some texture and taste to crusting. 4. Mold your cash. Once you've prepared your basket, mold your money right into whatever kind you want. Rounded or oblong typically work most ideal, prior to placing it in the facility of towel-lined wicker container. 5. Permit it increase. Deal with the money with a tidy towel and let it climb until it has multiplied in dimension. The rising are going to generally take a number of hours depending on the type of breadstuff you are helping make. 6. Bake. When your money is all set, remove it coming from the basket and cook according to your recipe's instructions. That's all there is actually to generating a rustic and posh bread rising basket for your home. It's a straightforward yet reliable way to raise your bread making encounter. Plus, you can reuse the basket over and over once again for future baking endeavors. In final thought, helping make homemade breadstuff doesn't possess to be challenging. With a few general devices and techniques, you can easily appreciate fresh baked breadstuff in no time. Making a rustic and fashionable basket for your dough to increase in is merely one technique to add an additional contact of beauty to your kitchen space while additionally making certain that your bread switches out completely every time. Therefore, why not provide it a go? Impress your family members and buddies with your brand new bread making skill sets in your classy container. Pleased baking. Take note. This short article is for informational purposes just. Always follow the guidelines and security guidelines offered by your breadstuff recipe and devices maker.